Welcome to the future of mobile applications, where innovation meets necessity. As we look towards 2025, mobile apps are becoming indispensable in our daily lives, driving the demand for more intuitive and user-friendly solutions. Artificial intelligence is set to revolutionize mobile apps by enhancing their functionality. Imagine apps that not only understand your preferences, but also adapt in real time, offering personalized experiences that feel almost intuitive. Augmented and virtual reality are reshaping how we interact with the world through mobile apps. From immersive gaming to virtual shopping experiences, these technologies are expanding the boundaries of what's possible in the digital realm. With the advent of 5G technology, mobile apps will become faster and more reliable. This leap in connectivity allows developers to create complex, resource-heavy applications that run seamlessly, enhancing user engagement and satisfaction. No-code and low-code platforms are democratizing app development, enabling more individuals to create powerful applications. This shift will lead to a wave of innovation as unique ideas come to life, regardless of technical background. The future of mobile app development is not just promising, it's transformative. Developers and entrepreneurs alike must embrace these changes to explore the vast potential this field has to offer. In the coming years, imagine a world where your mobile app knows your needs before you do. AI-driven personalization will make this a reality, offering tailored content and recommendations that enhance user satisfaction and engagement. Augmented reality will redefine mobile gaming, offering players immersive experiences that blend the digital and physical worlds. This technology will create new opportunities for developers to engage users in unprecedented ways. Virtual reality will transform mobile shopping, allowing users to explore products in a virtual space. This innovation will provide a more interactive and engaging shopping experience, bridging the gap between online and in-store shopping. 5G technology will enable mobile apps to handle more data and perform complex tasks with ease. This advancement will open doors for new applications that require high-speed connectivity and low latency, enhancing user experiences. The rise of no-code platforms will empower non-developers to bring their app ideas to life. This democratization of app development will lead to a surge in creativity and innovation, as more people contribute to the digital landscape. In 2025, mobile apps will be more than just tools. They will be essential companions in our daily lives. As technology evolves, so too will the ways we interact with and rely on these digital solutions. AI will play a crucial role in enhancing app security, protecting user data with advanced algorithms. This will build trust and confidence among users, ensuring that their information is safe and secure in the digital world. Augmented reality will revolutionize education, providing students with interactive learning experiences. Mobile apps will offer virtual field trips and simulations, making education more engaging and accessible to learners everywhere. Virtual reality will enhance remote work by creating immersive virtual offices. Mobile apps will facilitate collaboration and communication, allowing teams to work together seamlessly regardless of their physical location. 5G technology will support the development of smart cities, with mobile apps playing a central role. These apps will manage everything from traffic flow to energy consumption, making urban living more efficient and sustainable. No-code platforms will enable small businesses to create custom apps tailored to their needs. This will level the playing field, allowing them to compete with larger companies by offering unique and personalized digital experiences. The integration of AI in mobile apps will lead to smarter health monitoring solutions. These apps will track vital signs and provide personalized health recommendations, empowering users to take control of their well-being. Augmented reality will transform tourism by offering virtual tours and interactive guides. Mobile apps will enhance travel experiences, providing users with rich, immersive content that brings destinations to life. Virtual reality will change the way we consume entertainment, offering immersive experiences that go beyond traditional media. Mobile apps will deliver VR content, providing users with new ways to enjoy movies, concerts, and more. 5G technology will enable real-time data processing, allowing mobile apps to offer instant insights and analytics. This will be crucial for industries like finance and healthcare, where timely information is vital for decision-making. No-code platforms will foster innovation in education, allowing educators to create custom learning apps. This will provide students with personalized educational experiences catering to diverse learning styles and needs. As we embrace the future of mobile app development, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're a developer or an entrepreneur, now is the time to explore the transformative potential of this dynamic and ever-evolving field.